Does that look bad? Nah.
Baseball. I found it.
You did good.
B-A-S. Everything's so easy when I try this.
Are you hiding in the van because you're scared of the geese? They're a little scary.
They are scary, puppy. I'm coming in too.
You gonna run in that water?
I don't know if I have a swimsuit on.
No, you don't.
I see them. Wait for me.
You should come down.
How'd you guys get over there?
We went across that bridge.
What?
There's a bridge.
Whoa.
Okay.
I wanted to go fast before you guys.
You just see it rolling down.
Like I did. was way.
Okay, so we had a little bit of an accident. Luna fell down, and now she gets a free ride.
She does get free ride. And we're almost done at this hiking trip. The hiking trip is almost done.
Remy's a pretty good narrator.
Look at that wheel. Okay. So we hiked up and then I got a big scratch. When we were having it's not a scratch, it's an alley. A big alley when we're having a race in the mountains. But now we're almost home and done with the hiking trip.
All right, let's see, what does it look like? Oh, does that look bad? Nah. We're gonna clean it in the car, right?
Right down here, Daddy.
Oh.
So we're going to clean it in the car, and Luna will be all well, and we're going to have a fun day.
All right.
Two shots.
Nice. What are you doing, Remy?
Golf.
Golf?
Daddy, I made it.
Good job, Luna.
I'm a fool.
Are you playing golf in your pajamas?
Yeah, me too.
Yeah. What's Mommy doing while you play golf in your pajamas?
Look at her boat. Watch that.
No. Mommy's drinking wine out of a paper cup.
Wine out of a paper cup. Nice.
Classy.
All right.
I made another school. How did it get crashed?
I don't know.
Did the wall get too little and then it crashed down and then broke the boat?
I think so.
And then it sheet down and then it was broken? And this is the captain's room for.
I don't think it's big enough to have a captain's room.
How can we go on that side?
What is that, Luna?
A boat, a sunken boat. A sunken boat.
It's a sunken boat?
Yeah.
Whoa. Any more boats?
It's from a long time ago. his eyes. He's trying to get off. I seen that before when we were hiking, remember? Yeah. You know what else is an insect? What? Like a ladybug is an insect.
Oh, hey!
Hi. There's two of them.
Well, this path, guys.
No, go say hi to your squirrels and come back.
There's a spider.
Can they bite?
Yes.
Oh, they Let's go. A goby, Mommy, wait too.
Yeah.
Do gobies bite?
No.
Why a goby? A goby! A goby! A beetle is an insect. That's all.
You can touch him?
Crab's pinch though.
He does pinch. See if you can touch him real quick without getting pinched.
Okay. I'm scared.
Me too.
I never got pinched. He looks like he's about to eat me. No. Daddy,
Yeah.
we're at the full brag table. So we're having so much fun. It's something I had before when we go to a beach.
Come on.
I think it's the same one. With the trees?
It's a mussel.
Yeah.
It's a mussel shell.
Come
on.
Can I bring it home?
Come on.
Can I bring it home?
Yes, let's go.
Thank you. Oh, another one. This looks like a beach, Daddy. Is it a beach?
It is a beach.
Mommy?
Come on.
Daddy, you said you hit your head here.
No, not here. In the cave that we're going to go to.
Hi. We're inside the restaurant. It's over here. We're in the Redwoods with lots of pretty trees, too.
We're in the Avenue of the Giants.
We're in the Avenue of the Giants.
We're in the Avenue of the Giants.
And Luna's in the front seat because she has my seat. She's Daddy's road trip partner.
Who's my
Me
road trip buddy?
too.
Road trip buddy.
Me.
Remy. Remy is my road trip buddy back here.
Me.
In the back. Enjoying wine, chocolate covered almonds, and trying to make it to Klamath. We've got another 2 hours to go.
We're in the woods, but Bigfoot lives, but he camouflages in the trees. So we can't see him. But people saw their foot of them. Their footprint. But maybe some have been dying to them because they're making the footprint. But still, I'm in the front of the site since I wanted to fix that sickness. Mommy, it takes a long drive to come here where I am. But where we am, we'll go to a hotel.
Whoa.
Daddy, can you go in there so I can take pictures of you?
Yeah, hold on.
Will in Redwoods vacation. Go fish! And Will in the hotel. Go fish! No one can see them cold. Go fish has voice through the outside door. Go.
Okay.
We can never beat.
Remy, do you have a 7?
I got my apple.
Okay, well, stop doing your little boogie dance.
Now, here's my cousin. Mom, it's how old am I? How old am I? 6. How old am I? 4.
Go fish.
Luna, your turn.
Why do you have to check your vagina?
That's where she hides her cards.
Remy, yeah.
Daddy, you have an 8th.
Yes.
It's a sock. A sock! Yeah.
Still your turn?
I
Luna?
hide this so you can. Oh. Let me. You got no whale.
A narwhal?
No wall. Wait, what's that?
Narwhal? It's the whale that has a horn.
Oh.
This is number 5.
Okay, here we go. I got what I asked for. No.
Okay.
Okay, that's crazy.
I'm trying to hand wash that today.
I feel that we are
Uh-huh. Whoa, keep going.
Mud. What's
Okay,
that?
keep
That
going.
mud. Octopus!
Okay, keep going.
It's a diet tree. It's a fun Redwoods diet.
Whoa.
Did you give me water right there?
Yep.
It used to go down, and then it would spin that wheel and fall downhill. Now we're going up to trees. Now we're talking.
Remember, no jumping, no running, and you gotta wait till you get to the top because you can't be more than 10 people.
Ow. My head hurts from going the yard up.
It's called exercise.
Now we're just 10 people up here.
How many people are here?
Dad, you know what? Going down up to your weight is strong.
Am I heavy?
Yeah, because your weight is strong. I break the bridge.
What, you say I'm gonna break the bridge?
I don't know.
How fat do you think I am?
Scary again.
It's scary a little bit, it is.
That's so scary.
Wait, I see some sunlight. Wow, this is around the street. This is secret beach in another area.
Okay,
Secret beach.
we'll have to go to the secret beach.
Okay.
What do you think of these woods, Remy?
Wait, great.
Wow, so this is the Brotherhood tree. It's a giant redwood. It's 300 feet tall and its diameter is 19 feet. Some botanists actually climbed it to the top and they found all kinds of life living at the top. They found small little crabs, newts, salamanders, all kinds of things living in the canopy, 300 feet up.
And somehow people climbed it. Some people climbed it and found lots of different kinds of animals on top of the wallhead tree. Look at it. This is the Brotherhood tree of the forgot.
Are you narrating while I'm narrating?
I guess. Or you narrating while you're narrating.
You were narrating while I was narrating.
You're narrating when I was narrating.
Ah, copycat.
Ooh, we're doing the sky tour.
The sky tour? Whoa.
It's a ride.
Yeah, over the Redwoods?
Oh, yep. But if I get scared, Mommy.
Okay. Oh, here we go.
Hi.
Uh-oh, I think Mommy's a little nervous.
Just a little bit.
I'm a little nervous too. I'm a little nervous too.
Why did we stop in the air?
Because they were slowing us down since Mommy's nervous.
Mommy's nervous?
Mommy's nervous.
But we'll be okay.
Yeah, and I'm having fun.
Me too.
I wanted it to go still fast.
No, it doesn't go fast. You can't go fast.
I don't want it to go fast.
I think I'm a rock climber.
There's no such thing as too easy.
I'm a rock climber. That was too easy.
Yeah.
Come on, Mr.
Do you see what happens when you say it's too easy?
Daddy, I'm your rock climbing buddy.
You are my rock climbing buddy.
I'm your rock climbing buddy.
Okay, come on.
Do you know why?
Why?
Remember we rock climbed at the park?
Yep, come on. We're going to the hidden beach.
Okay.
Let's go find it.
I cannot hear you. Let's hold the button. Let me test it.
Luna, what are you doing?
Let me calling me. I'm pretending on my fairy wand. It's a new thing that I buy on the store.
Ooh.
My own fairy wand.
She has been crying this entire walk. Don't go hiking with a hungry 4-year-old that missed their nap. Remy, show us the rooms in your castle. Say it, both of you say it. Ready? Go.
We're in the Oregon Caves. The water is below us. Yeah. And it's way here under there. And dark. Oh, it's not good. Peeking is weird.
It's one of the ways in.
Where is?
Yeah.
Whoa. You guys get the bug out!
Luna, how cold is it in the cave?
Super cold. I win! Look, get back in. We'll have to say it. I'm doing it right now. I know zombies.
Whoa!
In the ocean.
Stop! What are you guys saying? Stop it.
Dad has a vagina. Mom has a penis. Dad has a vagina. Mom has a penis. I'm the eagle. I know you're the eagle. But no. Yeah. Quality. Look at that wall. Sometimes your hands get bloody, you know. My hands isn't bloody though. Yeah, but then sometimes too. Look. Are they bloody?
Where are you going?
I'm building my own sandcastle.
Oh yeah?
I'm getting materials and rocks so no water touches it.
You getting materials and rocks?
Yeah,
Oh, you want to show it to me?
we do.
Whoa! That looks pretty good, Luna.
You go find more stuff.
Okay, we're at the Airbnb in Tahoe, and now we're playing hide and seek. We have to find Remy. Luna, what are we doing?
I win the other round of it though.
You did. You were the best hider. Now Remy's hiding. Let's go find him.
Up here.
Okay.
I think he is. I saw him. He might be hiding. Oh, I think he's down there.
Okay.
He's always hidden down here. So good at that round. Oh, I hear the door opening. That might be one.
Let's get him.
Oh, Fabio.
It's Fabio. Ita, have you seen Remy?
We're playing hide and seek.
Oh, she's not going to tell us. That means she saw him.
You already checked and you didn't see him.
Uh-oh, she's hiding him.
Oh, he got one. Oh, he's getting 3 of them. Oh, we're catching up. Whoa.
What are we doing, Luna?
Paddling.
You're paddling?
A boat.
All right. And we're at Emerald Bay in Tahoe. Hey, Mom!
Splash your way. Splashing over here.
Remy, I don't know about your paddling skills.
Why?
Well, the hike back to the car from Emeralds Bay is a little rough. How you doing, Luna? What? Are you coming? What's wrong? You tired?
No.
The plan was after Tahoe to go to Yosemite, but on our way to Yosemite, the Astrovan's transmission blew up in Lee Vining. Never break down in Lee Vining. Because there's nothing in Lee Vining, we had to get a tow truck to tow us all the way to Bishop, California, where there was a U-Haul. We then rented a U-Haul trailer and trailered the Astrovan all the way back to Burbank, California.
Here comes the rain. Remy, go, move.
How much is the rain?
Keep going.
I'll go back to your
No,
car.
just run. Be an adventure. We'll get a blanket when we're done.
Ah, what about that?
Oh, it's a rock.
Oh.
What happened, Daddy's car?
It broke. It broke, so the truck is killing it. No, I ain't do that.
Are you guys inside my car while the tow truck's carrying it?
Yeah. The whole family is. Ricky does love you.
I'm hitting it now. While I'm burning in the sun in Bishop. Our life now. I hate this van. No more go-go Astrovan. No more go-go Astrovan.